We can always find things to be thankful for. No matter what our circumstances are, there's always something, but on some days it can be really hard to find that. And when I'm having one of those days, I put Happy Joy Essential Oil Blend in my diffuser. Hi, I'm Katie, certified aromatherapist with Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. And today I'm going to be talking about our Happy Joy Essential Oil Diffuser Blend. This blend is made up of geranium, orange, grapefruit, and ylang-ylang essential oils. This citrus and floral combo is uplifting and energizing, yet calming. Geranium essential oil adds a floral note to this blend. It's calming and uplifting and will remind you of a day in the garden. Orange essential oil is uplifting and energizing, and it can help lift you up to have a better day. Grapefruit essential oil is one of my favorite oils to diffuse because it is so energizing and uplifting. When I put it in the diffuser, I just feel myself getting happier. Ylang-ylang essential oil in this blend has a floral yet citrus aroma, and it really brings these oils together to create a happy and uplifting blend. You can learn more about these oils if you check out our YouTube channel. Let's talk about ways to use Happy Joy Essential Oil Blend. The simplest way is to put it right in your diffuser. Just add a couple drops and diffuse it in an open room, and notice how it affects your emotions. You can also create your own roll-on or use this blend in skincare. We have a facial soap bar recipe on the blog post, which is linked to in the description box. There's also other ways you can use this blend to help uplift you, like diluting it and putting it in a massage or roll-on, or using it in a bath. We recommend using this blend at a 1 to 3% dilution rate because of its ylang-ylang essential oil content, which is a stronger oil. It is unlikely to be irritating to the skin, but it is best to dilute it. We recommend using this blend with kids aged 10 and up. Avoid using it around cats because it does contain citrus oils, and cats and citrus oils don't always get along. We don't recommend using this blend around dogs. Whenever you're using a blend, make sure to do it in an open room so that your pet can leave if the aroma bothers them. I'm Katie, thanks for watching. For more great videos like this one, hit subscribe on our YouTube channel. At Simply Earth, we sell only pure essential oils at honest prices, so check out Happy Joy at simplyearth.com.